Okay guys, if you have a problem with your brake switch, so the stoplight doesn't go on and off, you have two of them. One is underneath here, underneath the front brake, okay, and another one is underneath here. And we already have made a video, so you can have all the instruction how to tune it or to adjust it. Okay, this is the switch for the front brake. Okay, you see it pushes like this. The lever pushes and releases it. Okay, how you test it? You take a multimeter and you put it on this buzzer. Okay, very simple. One end, the other end. When you push, interrupt. So this switch is okay. Another problem with the Transalp is the turn signal that's stuck, even though it moves like this, but inside stuck. So many of you they just spray here in between, but as you can see, you don't solve the problem. You have to take it apart. So how you do this? You remove this screw first. Okay, tiny screw, this plate, and that's the mechanism that works. You have a sliding thing below that goes left and right, and when you push, returns to the center. You can spray like this. If you're lucky, it starts working again. But if you're not lucky, you have just to clean deeper inside, so you have to remove this one as well. Careful to memorize everything. And that's the slider. See this one, left and right. See? And in that plate, there is a metal plate underneath that. That's where the dart stuck. So you have to clean there. Completely the mechanism. You have to remove the other screw on the side. It's quite tricky, so you be careful to memorize everything you're taking off. Okay, this goes with this, and then this also. Okay, there we go. You see, this is the slider. This is the switch you wanna take off. Okay, you have to pull out like this. Okay, and you see here stuck there. Okay, then you open up. Look at this. Then you can clean these contacts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the slider here. You see this is dirt on the side. So you clean up this one very well with the spray. You wash it. Well, look, perfect. You clean up this one as well. Oh, look how shiny. How you put it back? You see, you have two holes, one here and one here, you see? Okay. And this has two things sticking out on the side. So you put it in and click. You see? Inside here and opposite side the same. Then inside like this. And that's it. Okay. Once you do this, you put back this one first. Okay. like this on the side. It's a little bit tricky, but okay. Okay. Poi we can clean up this one as well. A little bit. Ok, ci va questa sotto, questa sopra e questa a chiudere. Ok. This one sticking out is an actual drain for the water. If you reverse it, you could use it to pour some spray inside. Reverse it and use it like this. Signal behind doesn't work because the stroke is too short. So this is the switch. As you can see, it works by pulling the spring, and the spring is connected to the pedal. How do we register? We have to turn this clockwise, and so we lift the switch so that you don't need so much stroke like before to activate it. So we go here backward with 2 fingers, and we work on this screw. It's over here. Okay, we just use this contact cleaner from Putoline, which is a very good product. And if you have some requests for some more video about maintenance, please contact us, leave a comment, and we'll see if we can make it for you.